Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this gift that I received from Pinterest after completing the Pinterest Academy Certified Media Buyer. So this is the box, nicely packaged. It's got this congratulations message and it comes with this Stanley Tumbler. It's the H20 version and it's pretty surprising that it came with that. There's also this candle and it's got the scent that is called the Focus scent. It's got a pretty nice smell to it. It's nice to have. Now it comes also with this case, pencil case, and there's 3 pens in there. There's also a pin that has the certified media buyer on it. It's been a while since I actually seen companies giving out pins for completing certifications. Microsoft used to do that, but not anymore. There's also these stickers. There's also this notebook as well. So you can open this up and write some notes. It's very handy to have. And there's nothing else, just packaging here. So the best gift is obviously this Stanley Cup. It's pretty popular. I wasn't even too sure what it was until my daughter told me what it was, and she was pretty ecstatic to receive this. Thank you once again, Pinterest, for sending this out. See you next time.